Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable discussions in GitHub. To enable discussions in GitHub, open your repository and go to the settings. On the left side menu, find General and scroll down until you see the Features section. Check the box labeled Discussions. On mine here, it's turned on by default. So just turn it on if yours is not. Now let's make a discussion since it's rather easy. Over at the top, you can find the Discussions tab. Click on it and press New Discussion. You'll then find yourself trying to choose a category for your discussion. Pick whichever one you want that works best for you, and press Get Started. In here, you can now add a title for this discussion. The base template would be just for announcements. Here is a template that I have ready just for this discussion. Once you're done, click Start Discussion. Discussions are ideal for community conversations that don't belong in issues. Something similar like brainstorming ideas, asking questions, or sharing updates with contributors. After setup, your community can start participating, and you can even moderate threads, mark answers, and keep conversations organized. And that's how to enable discussions in GitHub.